Hey guys, hey guys, hey guys, hey guys. So, okay, alright. Like, this is kind of like a recording because, like, I don't like record and like play at the same time because it's kind of hard to deal with. So, and I'll be like soft talking and whispering at the same time, and I will also be doing mouth sounds and brushing the mic and like talking about my life because this is like a new channel, so like I want you guys to know me and stuff like that. But yeah, like I want you guys to know who I am and stuff, but I'm not really gonna show my face. And if you guys want to play with me, I'll play on my alt account. I'm not really gonna play on my account because like I don't really want you guys to know me, not just yet. And I don't know when I'm doing a face reveal, but yeah, let's get into the game. And yeah, I don't like really talking in intros because like I feel like I'm talking too much and you guys won't want to watch, and this video is only like 8 minutes long. So like yeah, but I also I don't know if I want you guys to follow my social medias. I'll like just make a social media for like just this ASMR, like, but yeah, I'll start talking about my life in this video too, because like I said, I want you guys to get to know me, so like you're not just like, oh my god, who is this random girl I recommended, like, oh my god, who is this? So yeah, let's get to the video. Oh yeah, and by the way, I don't really like mouth sounds like that. Well, I do, but like sometimes they trigger me, like it has to be the right mouth sounds. But let's get into the video. Oh, and don't mind background noise, but let's get into the video now. Okay, so I won't be doing an age review, but I will like, I don't know, let's just say I'm older. I'm older than 11 years old. I'm older than 11. Okay. So, yeah. And my name starts with an M. Oh, I don't know who Lovely Cat is, but I will respectfully decline your friend request. But yeah, my name starts with an M. I'm older than 11 years old. I could be 12, 13, or 14. That's the only age limit I could be. And yeah, my favorite color is blue. And I don't really have a style. I just dress how I want to dress. I don't really have a style, but I dress like kind of like age appropriately, not like too much. But yeah, let's get into the mouth sounds and mic brushing. And I will be talking about things I love, things I love, things I love. Okay, so I love shoes. Like, that's my top one. Like, I love shoes. And I also am a big fan of Stranger Things. Like, I love Stranger Things so much. And I also love the Vampire Diaries. Like, nothing could ever top the Vampire Diaries. Nothing. Like, I love that show with my whole heart. Like, I will give up anything just to meet the entire cast of the Vampire Diaries and Stranger Things. Like, two top shows. I also love Insatiable, or Insatiable. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I love that show too. I also love Twilight. It's not in my top fives, but it's definitely something. I love the originals, but I don't really like Legacies. I stopped watching Legacies in season 3. I stopped watching because it kind of got boring, and I thought it was supposed to be like just like defeating villains like the Vampire Diaries and stuff, but they're like just defeating monsters canceled the show.